Is there a fences alternative for Mac OS X? I like Fences, a program that helps you sort icons on the desktop with icon areas. On Windows, is there another application like it that I can use on my Mac computer?
Alternative to .NET suggests BumpTop as an alternative to Fences. I haven't used either application myself, but I would expect that the kinds of problems that Fences is designed to solve aren't quite the same on Windows as on the Mac. Good luck finding something.
You can add spaces to the dock to separate groups of icons from others. Just use this terminal command. Defaults write com.apple.dock persistent apps array add tile type equals spacer tile. Kill all dock. It will create an empty spacer that you can then drag around the dock to group your icons together. Using spaces and stacks folders on your dock are probably your best bet for replicating Fences. You can drop some of the folders from your home dir onto the dock like downloads and documents, and if you have rules for pushing certain files into those directories, downloads path from your browser, etc., then those files will always be available there.
I also like Fences for Windows. The closest Mac app that I have found is Tracting, this URL. Tracting is not exactly the same animal as Fences, but in many ways it's much more powerful. I cannot live without Tracting on my Mac. I tried BumpTop on my Mac and I hated it. BumpTop's entire premise is really quite silly. I use my computer to help organize my life, not to replicate the mess of papers on my real desktop.
I couldn't find much options for desktop organization in Mac. One is my favorite, Dock Spaces. Allows you to have multiple docks and it also works with multiple spaces. I have tried Drag Thing. There are other better options than Drag Thing. You can also create alias for different apps and drag it to your dock, or you can create a folder in your application folder and move application based on category and move that folder to your dock. For Windows, do try Rocket Dock. It's awesome, and VirtualBox runs multiple operating systems without any need to restart.
If you want to support the channel, please